In Korean, bibimbap means mixed rice. All the prepared ingredients are placed separately in a stall bowl called Dolsot. The bowl of bibimbap will be put on fire to roast the rice. And finally, each guest will mix his own bowl. Here are the ingredients for 2 people. You can find this list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgane.com. Start by soaking 4 shiitake mushrooms in water for 4 hours. Wash 3 times 200 grams of chopped grain rice to remove the starch. Add 20 centiliters of water. Put a lid. During the cooking, don't open the lid or stir. Cook on high fire for 7 minutes. Then reduce the heat to low and continue cooking for another 4 minutes. Cut the fire and let the rice absorb all the humidity. Meanwhile, prepare the other ingredients. Roast 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds over low heat for 2 minutes. Stir from time to time. Put them in a bowl. Cut 200 grams of the beef in thin sticks. Put them in a bowl. Crush 2 garlic cloves. Mince 1 spring onion. Marinate the beef with 1 pinch of salt, 1 pinch of ground pepper, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1/3 of crushed garlic, half of teaspoon of the roasted sesame seeds, 1 teaspoon of the minced spring onion. Mix all and keep it in the fridge. Cut 1/2 carrot in thin julienne. Put them in a bowl. Then add half teaspoon of salt. Mix and let it disgorge. Do the same with 1/2 of zucchini. Cut 1/3 of red pepper into small chunks. Remove the excess water from the shiitake mushrooms. Cut them into chunks. Put 100 grams of spinach in boiling water for 1 minute. Drain them. Rinse them in cold water. Press to remove the water. Put them in a bowl. Season with 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a pinch of pepper, 1/3 of crushed garlic, half teaspoon of roasted sesame seeds, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Mix. Cut them with scissors. Put 1 teaspoon of salt in small pot of boiling water. Add 100 grams of bean sprouts. Put a lid and cook for 3 minutes over low heat. Drain them. Rinse them with cold water. Season with 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of minced spring onion. Mix. To prepare a chili sauce, put in a bowl 1 tablespoon of Korean chili paste, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of sugar, half teaspoon of sesame seeds, 1/3 of crushed garlic, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Mix all together. Remove the water from the carrots by pressing. Do the same with the zucchini. Each vegetable is cooked in the same way, but the cooking time differs. Put 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil in the frying pan over high heat. When the oil is hot, put the carrots. Stir from time to time for 1 minute. The cooking time for the zucchini is 30 seconds. For the red pepper, add a pinch of salt and stir for 20 seconds. For the shiitake mushrooms, add a pinch of salt and stir from time to time for 2 minutes. Prepare 2 egg yolks. Use chopsticks to separate the rice grains. To dress a bowl for each guest, put 1 tablespoon of sesame oil in the stall bowl. Put a portion of rice. Put a portion of each vegetable on the rice by alternating the colors. Put half of the marinated beef in the center and an egg yolk. Sprinkle with sesame seeds. Just before serving, heat the bowl on the medium heat for 10 minutes. During the cooking, you can hear the rice crackling. Each guest adds the chili sauce and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Mix all. The heat of the bowl will cook the pieces of beef. Bon appétit! When we eat the bibimbap, we forget the patience required for its preparation. We get a combination of crunchy and tender with the roasted rice and the vegetables. We eat this dish with a spoon and we enjoy all the mixed ingredients as the bowl keeps them hot. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.